Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DpAddictionAdventures, and this is a special announcement I have. Why is it so special? Because it has been a year in the making. Yes, one whole year. I had a dream of a certain custom diamond painting I wanted to do, and I wanted to use it to celebrate in July, this July 2022, I will be on YouTube for 4 years. Oh my goodness. Can you believe it's been 4 years? It has been quite the journey. And so I just, yeah, I wanted to celebrate. And so I grabbed one of my besties and I said, "Hey, would you like to celebrate with me?" And of course, she said yes, because we all love to celebrate. So, Crafts with Crashley will be joining me. The collab will be from July 1st through August 26th. So, it'll be about 2 months long, 7 to 8 weeks. And you'll get to see me on Friday nights, and you'll get to see her on Wednesday evenings. And so it's going to be a lot of fun. Now, let's get down to brass tacks, okay? So, what is the collab? The collab is going to be hashtag free to be me. Hashtag free to be me. And why did we pick that? Well, we we looked back at our journey, just kind of back the train up a little bit. My 4-year anniversary is in July. She goes, "No way, my 3-year anniversary is in July for YouTube. My birthday is in July." She's like, "No way, my birthday is in July too." And here in the United States, July 4th is when we celebrate the freedom of our country. And then in August is Friendship Day. And so we thought we have so much to celebrate. But we also thought about our journey and how the last 3 to 4 years we have become, you know, free to be who we are in front of you, our subscribers. And so the dream I had was to take this custom that I had envisioned and use it to celebrate this momentous occasion. So I called up my wonderful graphic design friend, Monique, who helped me become who I am on YouTube through my logo, through different ways to help me create my brand. And we put our brains together and came up with this amazing diamond painting, this custom diamond painting. And then I thought, "Oh, I need someone to make this for me." And so I called up or typed up my friend Rachel over in Australia and said, "I think it would be great if you help me with this customization." And so she and I took the artwork and we created this customization built off of the DP Addiction brand, which says a lot about my soul. I'm going to put the picture right here. This is it, guys. This is it. And what I did is I took my logo and I blew it up. And I thought, you know what? The diamond is highlighting the tree and making the colors vibrant, making them real, making them sparkle, and the whole world behind it just fades away. And I wanted it to be something that everyone could relate with. And I remember back in the day when I was trying to pick my logo, it came down to two logos. And most of the people out there said go with logo A because it's simplistic, it's something people are going to remember. But my heart was logo B. It was who I was. It was colorful. It was digging roots from this tree. It was beautiful above and beautiful below. And it showed wisdom and growth and perseverance. And I was like, that's it. And so that's what I did. I went with logo B and I've never turned back and I've been extremely happy. And so Ashley feels the same way about her journey on YouTube and the last couple years with her family and her marriage and YouTube and being the mom that she is and just being free to be us, who we are, and not hiding behind this facade. And so we wanted you to join us in hashtag free to be me 2022 as we celebrate July and August together and the journey that we've had on YouTube. So I'm going to go through some specifics. We're going to have two major sponsors. We have DP with Sparklers and TSA Treasure Studios Art. I don't know which one's going to go which month, but we're going to have a grand prize in July and we're going to have a grand prize in August. And how to be part of the collab is to fill out the Google Doc down below in the description. Click on it. There's a couple questions. Fill it out. Hit submit, and then that helps us keep the spreadsheet. Okay. Then what you're going to do is every week, I'm going to have a post on Facebook, and that on Creative Craft Addictions. Again, I'll put the little Creative Craft Addictions on Facebook. The link will be down below as well. It'll be moving forward starting July 1st, every video forward that is live with the collab. So you'll always have the links present if you're joining a little bit later. So what we ask is that you're going to post a start and then you're going to post a weekly. Okay. And why I did the grand prize in July and one in August is so if you see this, if you get your painting late, you can still keep moving forward. Okay. So number 2, it's free to be me. Why can't you be free to be you? So you do not have to have a new start. I would love if you ran over to TSA and purchased this diamond painting right away to do with us. But I also know you're free to be you. And so if you have a diamond painting or a collab that you're currently working with and you want us to piggyback that, here's the parameters. Number 1, it has to have at least 50% left to still diamond paint, 50% or more left to still diamond paint. Number 2, the part that's left has to be at least 30 by 40 centimeters big. Okay. So if you have a 60 by 80 and you've done half of it, you're good to go because you still have 30 by 40 left. Golden. Okay. If you have a brand new one and it's 30 by 40, you're fine. It could be 20 by 50, 10 by 60. It just has to be 70 total square centimeters. So if you multiply the 3 and the 4 out of the 30 by 40 or add them, that gives you 70. If you add 2 and 5, that gives you 70. If you add 1 and 6, that gives you 70, and so on and so forth. Okay. Another thing is we want you to be free to be you as well. If you're not in a diamond painting mood, you just want to craft, you could do your coloring because you're free to be you 2022. So what we're asking is 1 page a week. All right. So you're going to post your blank page that you haven't colored on, and then you're going to post your finished page. So by the end of the month, to be eligible for the grand prize for July, you'll have to have 4 pages. By the end of the month in August, to qualify for the grand prize, you'll have to have 4 coloring pages. Okay. Crochet, if you want to crochet or you want to knit, we're asking for 20 hours total. Okay, so that's 10 hours per month. So 10 hours to get the grand prize in July or 10 hours to get the grand prize in August. We would ask for a picture before and then a picture after of your progress. Some people, 10 hours, you're frogging it out, you're taking it out, different things like that. So we're really going to trust you on this to be free to be you, but be honest, okay? Cross stitch, you can do cross stitch as well. Again, some people are slower than others. Some are going to have simple, some are going to have complex. So again, about 20 hours total, 10 in July, 10 in August. Again, we want you to be free to be you. So hashtag free to be me 2022. If you want other crafts, when you fill out the form, I'm going to have a blank that you can fill in what craft you want to do and then what you want to report your progress as. So if there's a craft I haven't mentioned, then give us hey, this is the craft I want to do for this collaboration, and this is what I'm suggesting be my before and after progress report. Okay, this area is not going to be mandatory to fill out. It's only there for people who want to choose a different craft than what we've already listed. We're also going to tell you to X the craft that you want to do so we can kind of keep track of whether we're looking at hours or we're looking at your diamond painting. Okay, so that's pretty much it as far as that's concerned. I'm going to put the TSA diamond painting up here now. It is beautiful. It comes in square, round, or full crystal. And then it also comes in 3 different sizes. You can get 15% off if you use my code or Crashley's code, which I'll have down below for you as well. And I do want to let you know that because of the COVID hit in China, some of the shipping from TSA is taking a little bit longer. So if you do purchase this, don't fret. That's why we did a 2-month instead of a 1-month for the collab, because that way you can get it in time. And if you want to start it, mid to end of July, you're still going to have time to finish it. I personally am waiting for mine to get here, and it's a 50 by 50. I think I can finish it pretty quickly. Again, just to let you know, you don't have to finish. You have to do at least 50% of what you started. So if you started a new start, you'll need to do 50% of it in order to qualify for one of the grand prizes. So yeah, again, we want this to be hashtag free to be me 2022. And I'm super, super excited. I can't wait. So let me know what you think. Fill out the link down below with the Google Doc, and I can't wait to see you when I go live. Let me look at my calendar real quick on my phone, because I forgot to look before I all decided to start chatting with you. So yes, July 1st is Friday. So we'll kick off in my live July 1st. That's what I thought, but I wanted to double check. And yeah, so I can't wait to see you guys. We are going to be showing clips of our past oopses. We're going to be inviting guests on to talk about their journeys. And I'm super excited. So I can't wait to see you and have an amazing, amazing time picking out your project for the hashtag free to be me 2022 collab. Till next time, see you later. Bye bye.